Let's go outside and let's go check out the undermount sink. This one came in last week. It's undermount apron sink. Right there. It's hard to maneuver this thing. Okay. Been reading a lot of reviews, some good reviews, positive reviews on this undermount sink. My plan was the conventional one, but okay, this is screen. The only problem is, well, it's not. It's not much of a problem. My cabinet is not set up for this, so I'm gonna end up sporting this one. And they said it holds quite a lot of weight. You know, like when you put out, you're defrosting some food, you know, like water and stuff. Hopefully it's not damaged. Okay, it came in with a trap. Just two of them. Again, stop. I have to read my instructions manual. Oh, look at this. It comes with this chopping board. Comes with this screen. I think that's for a vegetable. And here it is. Look at that. Very nice packaging. I guess I have to remove it completely. Let me see if I can get this thing set up. Oh, by the way, this is where I'm gonna mount it. And as you can see, there's hardly any support whatsoever. It's just a big door. And I think I'm gonna end up happening is I'm gonna buy a paint and almost identical to this. I'm gonna have a mix. Go to Home Depot or Lowe's and put some piece of wood here. That's a bunch of oak, and order the door. Another 2 weeks waiting time. Very nice. Look at this thing. Is this really necessary? I guess. How do you open this thing? I think I'm paying for the screen. Think so? Something I can use. I can use this in my car, like an air filter. Yeah, I can use this on my turbo. Oh, it's got some sound sound deadening. Alright. No damage. Talk about some stainless steel. They said this is made out of a 304 material. That's, yeah, aircraft grade stainless steel. Hot time. Very nice. It's got the sound deadening on there, so it doesn't make that. Crap, you could give a baby a baby a bat or your pet, like a dog. Very nice. Again, it's made by Ruvati. Alright, it'll be a long process. See if I can mount this thing on here. 33 inches. So my plan is to put the support system in here. Some people there, I think I'm gonna try to put a support while it's not installed inside. So when I put this inside and butt join it with the other cabinet, then I'll just put some screws from the other side, other cabinet. That way I don't have to put any legs, and that'll be more secure. All right. I got some wood strip, half-inch spacer. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna drop it in there, and we'll just put a little bit of glue. Like I said, I don't know if it's gonna stick. It's because of you know, it's like it has a wax on there, so. But it won't hurt if I do. Let me see if I can. Just hold it with a couple of brad nails. Okay. Now I'm just gonna drill some screws. Hopefully it won't go past beyond. Let me pre-drill this bad boy. Oh, that didn't work. I'm gonna secure with just brad nails for now, and then I'll drill some holes. Looks alright, huh? Let's see how did I do as far as like level. Oh man, well, it's within the line. That way. Let's see. Yeah, I could use up a little. Nothing a little shaving can do. And this one is perfect. It's right on. You know, I've seen an installation where I don't know. I think I don't know if I should line this up on this corner here. Just line it up or bring it inside. Oh, okay, it's inside right here. I think that's it. Yeah, it sticks out like that. Okay, and then the door will be right about here. Yeah. So the thickness of the door will be right about here. Yeah, I think that's good. That's good enough. Perfect. Okay. I just need to put another support at the back, and maybe I can just shave it a little. Not bad, huh? Cool. All right. I did all the my support system. So here, come see it. All right. I just put a 2x4 in it, and this one I have to cut the back in an angle. Let me see if I can show you. It's in an angle. It'll make it easier for me to when I put the sink. And this one I just reattach one, and then I'm ready getting ready to put this on. This is for the last time. It should be everything should be good. Okay?
Perfect.
I don't know, see if you could point it out. I put a strip in the space between, and I put a stopper right here on both sides. So if I do right here. So if I do ever decide to remove it, all I have to do is just slide it out like so. And where's our level? See if we could show them the bubbles. It's perfect. And sides. So it's right on. And that's it for the Ruvati farmhouse sink. And I hope this will last for a long time, more than 30 years, and that should be it. And all I have to do is wait for the the granite crew. We have an appointment coming down on Monday, this December 14th, right? Yeah, December 14th, so they're coming over and just take a measurement, and hopefully, boom, 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 that's it. All right, thank you. So the next time I'll show it up is when everything is finished. That should be it. Okay, let's wrap it up.